This 2018 Prius Hybrid looks great in premium Blizzard Pearl White with black trim, LED headlights, tinted glass, and 15-inch alloy wheels. From the back, the Prius features color-matched mirrors and door handles, a shark fin antenna, blue accented hybrid emblems, a rear windshield wiper, and LED taillights. Opening the hatch reveals a spacious carpeted cargo area. From the driver's side, the Prius's streamlined look continues with a large drake front windshield, blacked-out grille, and integrated front spoiler. Inside, the cabin feels roomy and modern, with center-mounted displays, a dash-mounted shifter, along with air conditioning, automatic temperature control, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, tilt steering, and a 6.1-inch AM/FM/CD MP3 display audio system with voice recognition, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, a backup camera, and energy monitor. There's plenty of legroom for passengers in the back, along with a fold-down center armrest and 60/40 folding seat backs. Power comes from a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder gas and electric Synergy drivetrain, so you can expect great fuel mileage along with Toyota reliability. Gas prices are on the rise. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Litre Road in Kelowna.